Can I actually find the best crypto airdrops in Indonesia right now? For those who are new to crypto, airdrops are basically free tokens given out by new projects to promote their coins. It's a super exciting way for Indonesian crypto enthusiasts to get started or even expand their portfolios without spending a dime. Finding legit and high-value airdrops can be tough. I've been there. You're scrolling through endless pages of crypto news, only to find out that most airdrops are either scams or offer super low-value rewards. And then there are those that seem legit but are just too complicated to participate in. I've lost count of how many times I've missed out on what seemed like a great opportunity, only to find out it wasn't worth my time. The sheer number of options out there is overwhelming. You start to wonder if it's all worth it. Even when you do find what seems like a promising airdrop, you have to do your research to avoid scams, which can be time-consuming and stressful. It's easy to get discouraged, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about some specific airdrops that are currently active and look promising for the Indonesian audience. One of them is the Blur airdrop. It's a decentralized NFT marketplace that's giving away free tokens to users who participate in their ecosystem. To get in on it, you basically need to start using their platform. It's pretty straightforward. Another one is the Arbitrum airdrop. They're a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, and they're giving out free tokens to early adopters. You can participate by simply bridging your assets to their network. The key indicators for identifying good airdrops are simple. Look for projects with a strong community backing, clear use cases, and a well-defined roadmap. My top pick for the terbaik airdrop in Indonesia right now has to be the Blur airdrop. What sets it apart is the potential for high returns. Their tokens have already shown significant growth. Plus, it's relatively easy to participate, you just need to engage with their platform. The project seems legit, with a strong team and a clear vision. I've done my research, and I'm excited about the prospects. Compared to other airdrops out there, Blur offers a unique combination of ease of use and potential rewards. If you're looking to maximize your gains, I think it's worth checking out. To wrap it up, finding and participating in the best crypto airdrops requires some research and smart choices. Always do your due diligence to avoid scams and low-value rewards. If you've got a favorite airdrop, share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights and check out our other videos on crypto investing. We've got plenty of valuable content to help you make informed decisions.